All right, you guys, it's official. I'm just sitting here working. Congratulations to the student. Not only did he get the offer, but he started. Let's go. He's passed everything. We are so excited for you. And here's what he had to say. Hi, Jenny. I actually just grabbed a screenshot of my offer, which he sent me. I at least wanted to share my gratitude and appreciation for you, your team, and RTQ as a whole. I definitely don't mind this being shared, as seeing other past testimonials and interviews and offers and videos of you sharing excitement of how RTQ has changed people's lives definitely kept me motivated, even after hearing countless of rejections. Well, there you are. You see it right there. I cannot make this up. I'm so excited for that student. Again, I'm just sitting here working, but my love and just excitement for him is in the air. So if you want to learn more about Road to QA, we're going to do this just like this. Go ahead and DM me the word skills and let us help you.